Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It is Tuesday, 18th of March 2025, and it's around 3 o'clock here in London, and I'm about to do my investment for today. But before I do my investment, I just want to check my portfolio to see how it's doing from yesterday. So as you can see, the general investment account is just under 55,000. Yesterday it was above 55,000, and at its peak it was around 120,000. My stocks and shares ISA is around 13,500. I've done the maximum contribution of £20,000. I've got another £1,184 available to invest, so I think it's down around £6,000. At its peak it would have been around £22,000 when you take into account all the contributions. My self-invested personal pension is around £1,600, and I've got another £900 to invest, which takes it to 2,300. But at its peak it would have been somewhere near 3,000. So again, the portfolio is bleeding at the moment. At its peak it was around 120,000 plus, and it's more than halved, and I think it's going to get even worse. So I'm expecting my general investment account to go down to as low as £40,000 before it starts to improve. So again, I'm not too concerned about these movements. I'm just trying to get myself used to these numbers and how they're moving around, because obviously I'm not selling at the moment, so I'm not too concerned at the moment. I'm just in accumulation mode at the moment. So that's my portfolio. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be investing in Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. So I've tried to, I'm going to try and do from today onwards is I'm going to try and invest at least £500 into the market. I think it's, the market is falling, everything is on sale, you can buy everything at a discount. So this is the best time to accumulate as many shares as you possibly can. So my strongest conviction company is Tesla, so I'm gonna try and buy as much as possible in Tesla, and then it's MicroStrategy, and then it's Nvidia. So today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be buying £400 in Tesla, I'm going to be buying £80 in MicroStrategy, and £20 in Nvidia. So let's do that now. So I'm going to go into my ISA account. I'm going to pick Tesla, and then I'm going to put, before we buy Tesla, let's have a look at the daily movement today. So today we can see it's down close to 6%, and it's at $223.80. So it's a big fall from the 488 high about a couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago. So again, it's trading at a 50% discount from all-time highs, and this is just a fantastic time to buy. It is completely oversold. The market is being irrational. It could go down even further, but again, it's a great opportunity for me to pick these company shares up at a very large discount. So again, I'm very happy that it's going down. I'm not too concerned about it, and I'm going to try and accumulate as much as possible. And as I've said previously, my target is to have at least 500 shares in Tesla. I've got about 408 when I combine all the portfolios together. So I'm around 92 away from getting to that 500 shares mark. So this is the best time to buy it because it's at a discount. So let's buy Tesla now. So I'm going to put £400 into Tesla, and as you can see, I'm going to get 2.3 shares from that. About 3 months ago I wouldn't have even got one. So I'm going to review the order now, and I'm going to put the order through. So hopefully that's going to go through quickly. Yep, so that's the Tesla buy order complete. So that's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my self-invested personal pension account, and I'm going to be buying MicroStrategy and Nvidia through my SIP. So the reason I'm buying MicroStrategy is because I think Bitcoin is going to play a very, very big part in the future, and I want to control as much Bitcoin as I possibly can through my SIP and through a company called MicroStrategy, which is essentially a Bitcoin treasury company, because they've got like 500,000 Bitcoins in their books. So again, this is my Bitcoin play. So I'm gonna click into MicroStrategy, see what the daily movement is. So as you can see, it's down 3% today. So everything is down today. It's you know, discount day, sale day, and I'm gonna be buying £80 worth of MicroStrategy. So I'm going to confirm the buy. The £80 will give me 0.36 shares. Not too concerned. I'm just going to keep on buying. Just keep on accumulating as much capital as possible. So I'm just sending the order through now, and that's done. So MicroStrategy buy order complete. The next thing I'm going to buy is Nvidia. So I haven't established an Nvidia position in my SIP, but it's going to be a very large holding within my SIP. So the main three companies in my SIP are going to be Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia, same as my ISA. And I'm going to try and pump as much money into my ISA and into my SIP because it's the most tax efficient way to invest your money. So I'm going to quickly search up Nvidia now. There we go. And then I'm going to be buying £20 worth of Nvidia. Before I do that, I'm going to just check the daily movements. So as you can see, Nvidia as well down around 3%. Maximum last 5 years up about 2000%. Need I say more? So I'm going to buy this now. I'm going to be buying £20 worth of Nvidia. So this is going to be my first position in Nvidia in my SIP. So hopefully I'm going to be buying much more in the future. So I'm going to be reviewing the order. That's going to give me 0.2227 shares in Nvidia. So I'm going to review the order now. Put the order through. And there we go. That's Nvidia done. Fantastic. So basically what I've done today is, I'm just going to recap what I've done. So I have invested £500 into the stock market today. I've invested £400 in my stocks and shares ISA, and I've invested £100 in my self-invested personal pension. So in my stocks and shares ISA, I've invested £400 into Tesla, and I bought about 2 shares in Tesla. And then I've gone into my self-invested personal pension account and invested another £100, £80 into MicroStrategy, and £20 into Nvidia. So I'm still on track. I'm still buying Nvidia, MicroStrategy, and Tesla, and I'm still gonna try to invest at least £500 into the stock market every day. For anyone who's new to my channel, my investment goal is to build a portfolio of $1 million. My investment style is very, very aggressive. I invest every day. I try to invest at least £300 minimum, and I'm going to try and increase that minimum to £500. And what I do is I invest in very, very volatile companies over the long run. So my time horizon is between 5 and 10 years. So whatever I buy now, I'm not going to be selling in the next 5 years, and I'm going to try and hold it for at least 10 years. And the companies that I buy are very, very volatile. So Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia, they could halve within like weeks, or they could double within days. So that's how volatile they are. Again, I am looking at the daily movements, but it doesn't concern me too much now. My only concern is trying to build a portfolio where I have at least 500 shares in Tesla. Once I have 500 shares in Tesla, I'm going to try and build up my MicroStrategy and Nvidia position as well to 200 shares in MicroStrategy and 200 shares in Nvidia. So I've got a long way to go, but I'm being very, very aggressive, and the market is turning down at the moment. So this is the best time to try and buy as much as possible, because you're getting it at a discount. You're getting it at a very, very cheap price. So that's it for today. If you want to join me on my journey, please do so. Please subscribe to my channel, because I've got over 1,000 subscribers now, and my aim is to build this channel to at least 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And follow me on my journey. If you find these videos useful or entertaining, join me. You can join with as little as £1. Just, you don't have to invest once a month. You don't have to put it on autopilot. You can get really involved in your investing and invest every day. So I started by investing £1 a day, and then I slowly increased it to like £10, £20, £30, £100, £200, £300, and it just kept on going. So what you'll find is, once you get the investment bug, once you understand your companies, once you understand how to invest it through your ISA and your SIP, you're going to want to find ways to increase your income, which is exactly what I did. So I'm making money from my earned income, from my side hustles, from my businesses. So whatever I earn, I keep a set amount of money for my household expenses. Once I've done that, I set another 40% for taxes, and then whatever I have remaining, I invest it into the stock market every day. So yeah, follow me on my journey. See if I see how long it takes me to hit that $1 million mark. So I'm hoping I can do it within 5 years, but you never know. It might be even sooner, and I'm gonna try and become more and more aggressive with my investments. I'm gonna try and invest, one day I'm gonna try and hit £1,000 a day, but that's a long way away. But that is my ultimate goal, to get to £1,000 a day, where I'm investing 1,000 into Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. So that's it for today. Yes, so join me tomorrow when I'm gonna make another video investing another £500. So have a great day, and I will see you then.